This is Catherine from the QuickBooks team. Books Close helps firms manage their monthly close process across clients in one place. In this video, we'll walk through the file review workflow, where you open a close, move through each section, manage due dates, assignments, and status, and see how your customizations carry forward to future closes for that client. Start on the Books Close overview page. To open a close, select Open from the Action column for a client and period. This brings you to the File Review page and is where you work through the close from start to finish. The workflow is organized into sections. Pre-close is customizable and allows you to add any tasks that match your firm's needs. The default tasks includes items that need to be completed before reviewing the books, such as confirming client information or preparing documentation. Select Add Task to include additional steps specific to that client. Account Reconciliation lists bank and credit card accounts that need to be reconciled for the period. Select View Reconcile to complete a reconciliation and return to the workflow when finished. Transaction Review includes transaction checks that highlight items needing attention, such as uncategorized transactions or transactions over a set threshold. Payee Entity Review includes checks for new vendors, new customers, and newly added accounts during the period. It also includes W-9 and 1099 management. Final Review provides access to key financial reports for the selected period, including the profit and loss and balance sheet. The Additional Items section is customizable and allows you to track firm-specific tasks or notes that are part of your close process. Existing tasks are recommended defaults, but you can select Add Task to include additional items as needed. Send Financials opens management reports in QuickBooks, so financials can be reviewed or shared. You manage close level details at the top of the page. Select the due date to update the close due date. Use the status dropdown to move the close from To Do to another status as work progresses. Use the Close Assignee dropdowns to assign or update the assignee for that close. When changing a close assignee, a bulk reassign option appears. This allows all tasks assigned to that role to be reassigned at the same time. Within each section, manage tasks individually. For a task, select the calendar icon to update the due date. Select the assignee dropdown to change who is responsible. Select the status dropdown to mark the task as complete or update its progress. When creating additional closes for the same client, Books Close carries forward information from the most recent close. Close assignees, task assignments, due dates, transaction check selections, transaction review inclusions and exclusions, threshold settings, and review settings are copied into the new period. The next close starts with the same structure as the prior one. Now you know how to use the file review workflow in Books Close.